Hello everyone, welcome to Theory of Computation subject. In this video, we will discuss about some of the problems based on a deterministic finite automata. Actually, we have already covered the introduction about finite automata, what is meant by non-deterministic finite automata, what is meant by deterministic finite automata. That video link is available in the description box. So before going to the example, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like the video and share the video. So first problem, design a finite automata accepting only those strings containing at least one A. So here our finite automata only accept those strings that consisting of at least one A. So at the time of solving such a type of problem, first we have to find out what is the minimum string that is given in the problem. So containing at least one A means minimum string we consider it as A. If suppose A is available in the given string, then only our finite automata accept that particular string. Means minimum string we consider as only character A. Such a finite automata is there. If you provide the A, then output is accepted, or it is accepted by finite automata. So design a finite automata that accept only those strings containing at least one A. If A is available, that is accepted by finite automata. Second string, suppose AA is available, that is accepted by finite automata. Next is, suppose AB is available, it is accepted by finite automata. Suppose BA is available, it is accepted by finite automata. Suppose BB is available, it can't be accepted by finite automata because this string doesn't consisting of any E. If the string consisting of ABA, it is accepted by finite automata because at least one A is available. If suppose string consisting of BAB, it is also accepted by finite automata. So firstly, we have to consider the minimum string of the given problem. So we know that we always start with the initial state. Suppose initial state is Q0, we consider initial state as Q0. Whenever A is come at Q0 state, it goes to suppose Q1. We consider Q1 as a final state because A is available or A is present at the finite automata input, then our finite automata accept that particular string. Means minimum string is accepted by finite automata. Suppose string consisting of 2 times A. Suppose string consisting of 2 times A. So first A is come, it goes to Q1 final state. After that, any times A is come, it remains at Q1 state. It remains at Q1 state. Next is suppose AB. After A, B is come. Then what happened? From Q0 state, A is come. So it goes to Q1 state, final state. After that, suppose B is come. So it remains at Q1 state. Because we are only interested in at least one A. If one time A is come, after that number of times A is come, number of times B is come, we are not interested in that. If we have fulfilled our requirement, then we doesn't consider anything after this A. We remains it as it is at A, B as an input at Q1 state. If suppose string consisting of B as a starting point, or string is start with the B. So what happened? We remains it as or having the self loop at Q0 for the input symbol B. If suppose we provide the string BA to finite automata, whether it is accepted by finite automata? Yes, because it consisting of at least one A is available. So how the finite automata is accepted by this string? So whenever first is B is come, so it remains at Q0 state. After that A is come, it goes to Q1 state. After that B is come, it remains at Q1 state. Again A is come, then self loop is available at Q1 state. So it is accepted by finite automata because we reach to the final state. If suppose string consisting of BB as an input string. So what happened? Whether it consisting of A? No. Not a single time A is available, so this string is not accepted by finite automata. Suppose first is B is come, so it the Q0 state. After that again B is come, again self loop is available, it remains at Q0 state, means it doesn't reach to the Q1 state, so that's why finite automata can't accept this BB as a string. So this is about a finite automata accepting only those strings containing at least one A. Means only a single time A is present in the string, that string is also accepted by finite automata. After that number of times, 1000 times A is come, then we are not considering it, we keep it as it is at the Q1 state. Because we are only interested in single A. So this is the finite automata that accept only those strings containing at least one A. So this fulfill the requirement. This is the final finite automata. Okay, thank you.